사후이 프로그래밍 지금 제발이야. 너무 가기로 선수 가가 강하냐. 아,
Ay ka tapos ka pula ka sa.
Oh ya ya. Maning so le. Maning ko. So ka biya. Ano kani?
Chị đâu? Chị này.
Chị này gì đó đâu?
Hi uncle Luckson đi. Chào ya ba. Kidarni. Hawaii yapmayı. Hawaii yapmayı.
Ladies and gentlemen, I, on behalf of the organizing committee, the host village, and all the delegates of the 10 Tangku Naga Zingtun Longpang, extend a warm welcome to our Honorable Chief Guest, Shri Govindas Konthoujam, Honorable Minister, Public Works Department, Youth Affairs and Sports, Govt Manipur, a guest of honor, Shri M. Asnikumar Singh, Honorable Chairman, Loktak Development, and Gurumla Kengoo Zuringla, ISTC, Unveiling Chief Guest. Parung Village, the 10 Tangku Naga Zingtun Longpang Sports Cum Cultural Festival 2023, cum playground dedicated at Parung Village, inaugurated by Shri Govindas Konthoujam, Honorable Minister, Public Works Department, Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of Manipur, Village Authority, Kuru BK Vashum, PHED, Singh. Yare Zagorina Kiagashina Ningamikawai Kangahot Sadle.
Wait. Bani tu nama orang kaya.
Không hiểu thôi thì năm thằng mà
Cái tàu gì nó còn. Có không rồi.
Diva khoai chứ, bếp đi,
Nó sẽ như thế này.
bác khar cái hay
Lake yang shunwi shalam kami ay nang soda achu katharaga kashunga dangkul naga zingdun dongpang sports cum cultural festival li razangai dak lay sai corally welcome sadale ram hiwi pastor ramunga kala kathana bing kala unit sai koru na razanga hai pastors bing ramunga kathana kachivali khayagashi midalay Achu itumna ngalangda klay nidrewi ningrinna sakasa gajina kala embracing change hina team sada ngalangda klayna host ang laga unit tharada dishat na ngarew ngahan hili participate samira psychorally mabung phalagi na ngalanga kui sports cum cultural festival ngasaru no gaji hi hangchpundalay Ahanba maktada tangkhul naga jingdun longphangna sinja langduna numit mabalni chupna bangthok jagadoriba sports cum cultural festival gi inaugural thoram asi gidamak lengbirak diba chief guest of honor amadi special guest na famlam langda lengsin bi kraba madungda ngasigi chief guest oibiriba honorable minister Shri Govindas Konthoujam Public Works Department Youth Affairs and Sports Government of Manipur bu DNZL gi maigayda gi masigi amadi sarkar gi ajinba kaya kaithok biraga yamna lappa lamda masida lakpi bagi taramna okchari mathangda guest of honor oibiriba ikai khumna jaraba Shri M. Asnikumar Singh, Honorable Chairman, Loktak Development Authority, LDA, Government of Manipur, Amadi, Kuirumla, Zuringla, Kengoo, IAS, D.C. Ukhrul, and special guest, Shri M. Rameshwar, Honorable MLA, Shri J. Kumosha, Honorable MLA, Shri G.H. Ibomja, Chairman, MHHDC Limited, Honorable MLA, Shri T.H. Arun Kumar, Honorable MLA, Shri T.H. Shanti Singh, Honorable MLA, Shri S. Bremchandra Singh, Honorable MLA Busu, Thoram Asibu Sinja Langjari ba Singi Mahut Silagat Daramna Okchari. Thoram Asibu, Thawai Happy Duna, Mabung Pahan Pigani, Kanbibagi Damak, Haranungai Busu from Doctory. Thoram Asibu, Mabung Pahan the Bayade, Haibagi Wakalda. Lakpiduna sarugya babi ya pibagi damak sinja langjari ba DNZL gi maigayri gi tawbimal khangba ujjari dungoin honorable minister LDA gi chairman amadi deputy commissioner Ukhrul na dauruba thabak thauram khudingda aphaba nungaiba chaukhatba bina ba ishwar gi mafam da prasna da ujjari loina ngasi gi thauram asi mai pakna bangthok na ba thauna bibiduna leibak ki thogai gya bubiri ba honorable MLS Singh achin ba madam kaithok piraga thoram asi mabung phana ba lengbirak bagi DNZL gi program committee na su thamoi sengna harau nungai ba phung doctory honorable MLS Singh na dauru tauruba thabak Thoram Singh da shu mai bakpa chakhatba amadi miyam gi seba madam kuina dauba ngamnaba isor thawni jari itum da zemik sho hiwi so khami khui khawai sa se chuiwang eina Reverend Singh Ringam Kamrang Buster Parung Baptist Church na apam hilira laga so khami khui mikhawai chihamdale
Sherbu ngaktang haijisi so mi posei itumli legishia rivra prohonali ningshi kathara kagashunga tangkul naka singtun longpang rivra sports kala Gerzer Festival prohonana langchin gahai chimikso atam ungshung satta pama pamwena kachara mwena Vivra pam hiliaya ratsangda kalaring a tor rivritum the ran gahai ranye hiliung sang kawai in far wena prohona we rauping psychorally prohona na chingrena tanrak mi psychorwang ning shie aring a tor sagida clay psycho re prohona we sok mi tashung mi da ngaran gahai psychoran that sang kamichu mangaina idum psychorwang sok mi tam sang sat mi loda idum mirin atam psycho re hing atang mi proho chu Christa we ming sing the Sehasa da Gapone. Amen.
Itumna pilan kang gagawi otsini singa kawaisa say kala pilan kang gagay ng soda yari saikor na bamda klebing na kaya kasi ng ningami kawai bodale. Now as we embrace this solemn moment, I invite our chief guest, Shri Govindas Konthoujam, Honorable Minister, Public Works, Department, Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of Manipur, onto the stage to do the honor of hoisting of flag. Yarin abam miao. And thank you, sir, for doing the honor of hoisting our flag. Let's all hope to maintain fairness under this unfurled flag throughout the tournament. Ara Hokarai, Wivang, Kuiru B.A. Kushung, Hetman Parung Village Li Adam Bidale.
Ada horai fa van sai ko ne aksing ninga mistalo. Agada mai no kup kai sa di o hui te kni shilu ko. O o da ten jingdong long pangwi sport CUM culture meeting ya mai no. O hui. O hui.
Kuiru PA Kushung Hetman Purung Village Li Ning Shilakairo Ara Itumna cultural dance cultural display kala blowing of trumpet si yang rung faisa se Jaina cultural display hi host kala blowing of trumpet si your show Dominic Mungvi Natumna Athem hi matang matang Rakumi Haurono.
Muivah.
host pashi team leading share ara ichumna Athem hi yaron Dominic Mungvili midle blowing of trumpets wibang. Your show Dominic Mungvili ning shilakare ara ichumna Athem you welcome speech color presentation kwika kwaisa se join a creation da miksha phazang convener Perung LOC Jiwitili Ipchan Kapai Chairman TNZL Athem hi miksha phazang limidele
Ya mai ro sing tun ya mai say okay ahan bamak da ikai khumna bada madik charaba mingwina panjabada Shri Konthoujam Govindas Honorable Minister Public Works Department Youth Affairs and Sports Govt of Manipur as chief guest Ani Shubada Shri Moirangthem Asnikumar Singh Honorable Chairman Loktak Development Authority Govt of Manipur as guest of honor Ahom Shubada Srimati Kengoo Zuringla IAS Deputy Commissioner Ukhrul Govt of Manipur as guest of honor. Special invite is the Shri Yam Rameswar Singh Honorable MLA, Shri J. Gumosha Honorable MLA, Shri K.H. Ibomcha Chairman MHTC Limited, Shri T.H. Arun Kumar Honorable MLA, Shri T.H. Shanti Singh Honorable MLA, Shri S. Premchandra Singh Honorable MLA, Shri D. Pulen Maitei Honorable Director Yas Govt of Manipur, Shri Rohini Kumar Yestio LM Block, Madam Soso Shaiza, former National Commission for Women Govt of India, Mark Luiting, Chairman Caretaker ADC, Jilang Maida Itumui Kiashi Kungia DNZL Chairman Ipchan Kapai Kalawi Kolikping Kakaniari Kiashi Kungia Kuhui Hetman PK Kushung Kala Awi Kolikping Jilang Maida Committee on Local Arrangement Committee Bing Natum Psychorally Ningashi Ringapag Jung Pongshok Lay Jilang Maida Lagashia Christo Mingli Yog Homa Bing Churches with Katana Bing Ram Ramui Hangvung now Kranau Bing now my Twitter but not the least Archui Dent Daniel Zetelwi delegates in our Psychoter Natum Psychorna Matanta Top Hidata Archui DNZLW Sports CUM Cultural Festival he Matake Athem take Avai, Ungshung Vai, Matan Tup Kazip Kimni Hivang, Natum Psychorally, Ningashi, Ringapa, Local Rishonala, Kajunga Ponshoktale. Mishigi Numit Ashi, Kunashigi Damakta, Yamna, Uniquiba, Special Occasion Amawidi, Maram di Ashumaina Tamgi Shaknairaba ministers, amasung members, aduga jingi jinnau imai bel chinga paminaraga shumaina haraba pontok minaba ashumaina tillieraga wari wadai shaminaba haibashi kunna shigidamakta ihan hanba buariama hangthokre ashukumba kadongi tishu thotok ashukuma thotok shi waidri ngashi ikai kumnabda matikcharaba tamdagi lakpiriba minister sings honorable MLA Singh aduga high ranking government officer sings social worker sing mayamna shumain bhamina duna wari watai shanaba haibshi ngishigi numit ashi kungi tamak yam maruiba yam nungai khraba yam na unique way khraba special occasion amani ishor bushu yam thakali nohai mayam na shu harau na jing da shu ima ibel lei ichin inau lei amuktang chalaga wari chaminage phamminage harauminage haina lengbirakpagidamagta ngamkai leitana khunjingi taraptaki nungai harauba phongthokjari ai matam si sumaina tension jage harauba phongthokjaba haibase aikhwai amuktang di phongthokdaningi maramdi ashigumba function nashigidamagta aikhwaina chingdagi challe hairaga tamda leiriba aikhwaigi ikai khumnabada matik charaba ministers aikhwaigi damakta ngishigi occasion sida shababadi wina amtang lakpiu haina baton dobada hoi ai gri dobagi laroi ai lakke aigi nungsiraba iji ninau singni imai bel singni haina nungai hrauna aikhwaigi pardon accept to bigdamakta shu yam nungai ba thagat gaba phongchok theri shumaina tawdana aikhwai hojikti nungsibagi khutol bot amuktang aikhwai lanthokchage ai mathang pathok cheraga shumaina aikhwaigi igai khumnaba matik charaba singna shumaina mathang accept to view haina ningsingjari ahan ba maktada aikhwai ngishigi sababadi gi wei bireba aikhwaigi Honorable Mr. Chief Guest, Shri Govindas Konthoujam, Mahapu Amuktang, Equai Kudolpo Tamjaningi, Hui Wang, Etumui, Pashi Nakrazaro, Pashi Nakre, Kakanieri Kazay. Pasi nakria ai asi awanamir Asi aikhwaigi nungsiraba aikhwaigi khunjasigi nungsiraba imai belchinggi khudolni shumaina amuktanga samjanjage aikhwai honorable chief guest ki mem dila lakpidre lengbilaktre adu wirusu imai belchingna aigi 이제니 나 먹더니 아도나 윰더디 누피싱 남아 부이브니 아도 에콰이 좀 마부니 에콰이 기능 시러바 지프케스 기 멤더 쇼 에콰이 고돌 비그니 하나 신저리 아도 쇼 에콰이 기 지프케스 나몽당 럭션 뷰 마 만삭 그나 공상티 아나와 한자미 뭐 아나와 한자미 뭐 Asong tong kuma asong Okay, Mathang Sidi, Equaki Nushiraba, Guest of Honor, Hon'ble Magdata, Shri Asnikumar. Hora. Hey, no do atudi equaki jingi, my bell jingi, who told me go to the Nupasing Yautre. Okay, Ani Shubada, Itumui Legishia, Ma'am Zuringla Kengoo, IS Deputy Commissioner. Mansaka. Jiring soda in the Malay guy, Shino Long Shong Wen, Dionaka, Ninjang the Lay, Dionaka, Lake Shui, as a Sada, Shino Long Shong Wen, Athem Queen Idley, he put me also. Shino Long Wen, Shui, Mamly. Mamly. Mathang City Special Invited Singh Chatashi, Hon'ble Magdata Shri Rameshwar, Honorable MLA. Lerum. Ani Shubada J. Gomosha, Honorable MLA. Camera song tomo. Mathangda KH Ibomja, Honorable MLA, Lurum. Mathang City TH Arun Kumar, Honorable MLA. Mathangda TH Sanji Singh, Honorable MLA. Mathang Shina, yes, Premchandra Singh, Honorable MLA. Next, D. Bulen Meitei, Yas Director, Lerum. Next, Shri Rohini Kumar, STO LM Block, West Coast. Thank Mr. Mark Leiting, ADC Caretaker. Juidiri, Madam Soso. chui diri ara hi ma tala kai na issue invite this special invite this chiring jang kai ne ka isina special sala kai na keep mi ngai mia ka khni le de le issue khu issue ot ma ga ga hi ga breakdown hi ka sem hi li sinalu ba lan nai na chikat mi gai niang dong ding da khu corporation mi gai wang khu na mam lai ngai m da sam i man phaning da or the Tiano by Ka, Lay Shi, Kamadai, a Saksada, me Knili Mingadri, Credi, Martin, Muivah, social worker, Ali voice called Akamingadli. Martin, Muivah. Kakani, Krujuana, it to me like Shia, very how, ZV, very how. Businessmen, eh? Anna is in Alba, landing like a Kruhili, Jungang Johnny Gaine, Chuivangana, Kuna Kigama mirrors, Allah, like Shua Zaknausada, West Kodak coming idly. Keep Pingy, Chiri Kangjang South, a daughter. Madame Shilly Drabanina, Nungshi, Janabagi, Wari, what I Cameron Pontok Janini, Adu Resho, Madame Shilly Drabanina, Shadadum a tension jagge, Mayamgi Ministry, Mongol, Wishnuana, Shoulder Tony Jelly, Cognalim.
Matam Shilly, no in Shuyam Ting and Aqua, one another. Mini skirt tower again, mini skirt to the para atom cover to get sir. I think with the yam luna what is hunting money. Mayam tingy bushda, equa 60 lakh reversal. Equa chip case will be reversed. Equa chingtung in the Makti history am a great to be grabbed though. She gumba function that show. Emile yam minister yam lakushi, which in a hundred. But tongue the shoe talk the Monday. Lakushu lactre. Atuga son. Mayam Sida leading as the son, Equi Jingtun Gidamak. Karido Vibrive do Matang Matang Equi Kangbalakani, Kun Mayam the development Piva work program, Mayam Changre, Adu Heklak with the chairman have to Chungre. Minister of Burk Bib Dungi Equi Kundu should break up Lakre, singling Lak have to Sweden Lakani, Adu Gidamak Sal. Ashing what Takajeri have to hanging eh? Equi Simadam Yam lady, Equi Salgi, helicopter Yamoka, Pung, Ani Makai the Pai, the Udu Kang Regament of Dobra. Adu give to Angak Angapayam Yawe. Adubu, she does taste la Atu to Rege, Noigi, Ginoshinda, Equina Ginoto Rege, she does put talk to the show. Adubu Salgi, Equina, Jingtun, Mayam the Gay, Angak Bama Bini, Adu Puro, Fubaji Mouse, and they house. Full Mouse. Ko matam later bani na ko yam badi yam ni ang pa yam yaw re ko atu man shortcut to se Salgidu at issue lady, adu Mimiam the Utrushu, happy granny, Aduga sir, Matam Shangradi. In fact, I quite committee sing like Coop no worry shining eye, yam lady. Shinda, Rosa again, thank you.
Matam the later out of Caridogni, Lapulak P. Ravanina. Oh, hey, I'm an eating the Pontok the Yadre, I don't know. Kenoto Javani, Aduna, Hadamaka, I quite give Casta. Honorable Serta, Equaki, Nupi, some something, Nupi, Kongsang, Equaki Kongsang, Amdang Lantoking, Adu, Divisional. Sina Sina, Nubagini, Shagituna, I gave by Epimagini go, Ashina Sargini. adagi akhoi Honorable Sir Asnikumar nusu amtang lekhat biyo nupagi kenom lan hoi Kupramade Tadi mir jo
Now, I would like to take this honor to invite our Honorable Chief Guest to address the congregation.
Good afternoon. Kari hai sarako, hai ning bada yam leire, harau basu yam harawi. Tangkhul Naga Jintung Longfang Sports CUM Cultural Festival Sigi theme na embracing change. There is a proverb in English, no, which says, change is the constant journey of growth. We need change. So if there is no change, there won't be any growth. Maybe in a village, or in a town, in a state, or in a country. So we need a change, which we need to embrace. Yamna arthalaiba, yamna afaba adugumba, akhoyi theme ne haidana ai admaina ahanbada ai thamjaninge. At the very outset, I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to the organizing committee for trying the committee's best to upbring the society, youth in particular, to mold their future for a better village, for a better state, and for a better nation.